How to uninstall Internet Download Manager from laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are also annoyed with this Internet Download Manager subscription notification, or you just want to download or keep it this Internet Download Manager on your PC anymore, then what you can do is just head over to your search bar and just search in for add or remove programs section, which will open a settings to remove your programs or uninstall your programs, applications downloaded on installed on your PC or laptop. So now all you have to do is just find the Internet Download Manager. As you can see, I have already found it. Just click on the application and just click on the uninstall button from over here to, as the screen says. So it will ask you to choose the default or full option. So I will choose full since I don't want any of the files from this application. Just click on done and click on finish, and you have to wait for a few seconds for it to completely remove the file. So once you successfully follow the on-screen instructions, your IDM will be successfully uninstalled from your laptop or PC. So hope this video was helpful guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in the future.